This is Leanne at Complete Payroll. Welcome to Payroll Country. In this video, we're going to review how to add a new employee using Quick Hire in isolved. Once logged into isolved, navigate to Employee Management, Quick Hire. All the information needed to add a new employee is here on one page. Starting at the top of the first column, your legal company name will be displayed. If you have more than one company, click the drop-down menu to select the appropriate company for this employee. The status will default to active, however, you can also select inactive or terminated from the drop-down. The hire date always defaults to the current date, but you can adjust it to a previous or future date if needed. The employee number may be set to assigned upon save, assigning the next available number in order based on the last employee hired. You can always change an employee number later. The employment category is required, as are all items marked with an asterisk. Select the appropriate category based on the list set up for your organization. When Include in New Hire Reporting is checked, the employee will automatically be reported to the appropriate state authority. In the ID type window, you can select Social Security number, individual tax identification number, other, or employer identification number, and then enter the number in the box below. First name and last name are required, and you can enter the self-service email address and click the Enable Self-Service Access if you want to activate this employee's self-service immediately. The marital status here is for information purposes only and does not affect employee taxation. When entering the employee's address, you'll notice zip code listed prior to city and state. The zip code will determine the city and state as well as geocoding for tax purposes. You may see more than one description in the zip code dropdown, so choose the one that most accurately reflects your employee's location. There are boxes to enter phone numbers, a different personal email, birth date, and gender. There are some circumstances in which birth date may be required, and you will see the asterisk reminding you to add this information. In the salary section, your pay group will automatically populate. If you have more than one pay group, make the selection appropriate for your employee. You will also need to select a pay type and frequency. The frequency will automatically determine the normal hours based on the length of your pay period. However, you can adjust this number to more accurately reflect the work hours of your organization or individual employee. Next, complete any of these three windows, annual salary, per pay salary, or hourly rate, to represent your employee's pay. Whichever window you complete will automatically calculate and complete the other two windows, so you can check the accuracy of your entry. If your company has alternate pay rates applicable to this employee, you may make the selection here. At the bottom of the page, you'll enter direct deposit information for your employee. In the status, select if it is active, pre-note, or inactive. Account type may be checking, savings, or pay cards. The sequence determines the split between multiple accounts, but if you're only adding one account, select remaining net. Then enter the routing and account numbers. Up at the top under the second column, under Organizations, Labor, and Job, the options available in your drop-down menus and any fields marked Required will be dictated by the setup of your company. Under Tax Location, the employee's residence location will automatically be populated from when you entered the zip code. The work location is required and will be visible in the drop-down menu. You can also add school district or reciprocity rules if needed. The federal income tax windows should reflect the entries on the employee's W-4 form. However, this information can be updated at any time as needed. Similarly, complete the state income tax information with the documents provided by the employee. If your employee requires any additional city or municipal taxes or a special exemption status, those options are found below. Finally, in the last column, you have options for recording voluntarily provided EEO, veteran, and/or disability information, as well as noting I-9 date of completion and citizenship. Once all information is complete, click Save in the black action bar at the top of the page. The employee will now be available for review under Employee Management, Employee Summary. This concludes our look at entering a new employee using Quick Hire in isolved. For further assistance, please reach out to your dedicated customer service representative at any time. Thanks for joining me, and have a great day.